Hi guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best parking sensors you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. New 4 parking sensors LED display car reverse. This is one of the best options for you to consider having right now. This is because it does come with some good features that makes it possible for many people to love it. You are going to have a great time working with the 4 ultrasonic sensors. This means that you can easily set them up on the rear bumper to help with packing. To make it even better, you get that it comes with impressive processing power and advanced chipset. This means that the radar system will be able to detect the distance between the car and the obstacle also. You should be in a position to love working with it on overall as compared to the others. The LED display further plays an important role in helping you know when you are too close to the obstacle. The display uses 3 colors, which include green, yellow, and red. With red, you can know that you are too close to the obstacle. Additionally, you get a blue LED display and not the traditional colored LED with lines that you usually find in other models. An excellent feature is that the CPU has double the power compared to previous generations, so you will be able to get more coverage and range detection with this sensor system. Moreover, it uses a bye-bye audio mode that is clear and easy to understand. This definitely makes up for the small LED display that is shipped with this unit. When it comes to the range distance, it is one of the best aftermarket backup sensors, as this model is able to detect objects from 0 feet up to 8.2 feet. Pros: 4 ultrasonic sensors. LED display increases safety. Cons: complicated setup. Number 2. Recar reverse backup parking sensor radar system. This next parking sensor comes from Frostry. Upon taking this product out of its box, you will notice 4 sensors, a speaker, and a control module. You will want to mount this control module in your trunk within reach of your reverse lights circuitry so it can receive power from it. Then allocate a spot for the speaker to be placed. Also included with the sensor kit is a circular hole saw that you could connect to a drill. Once you determine where you want to mount the 4 sensors on your bumper, you can use this saw to cut out mounting holes for the sensors. The 4 included sensors mount flush to your bumper and are water resistant. They can operate in 40 below temperatures and aren't prone to freezing over. The speaker, power, and sensor wiring all have a plug-and-play type design, allowing you to connect them to the control module easily. All of the wiring on hand is also exceptionally long. Depending on the size of your particular car, you might be able to mount the speaker up next to the driver. This is a good thing since the speaker isn't as loud as we would have liked it to have been. Putting your vehicle into reverse will automatically activate the system, and it will begin beeping when you are within 5 feet of anything. Like other sensors, the beeping will increase the closer you get to obstructions. Pros: plug-and-play wiring comes with a hole saw. Sensors are resistant to water. Cons: the speaker could be much louder. Number 3. Echelon Car Auto 4 parking sensors reverse backup radar. This is one of the best options when it comes to using them with your car. Well, you can be sure to end up with the best performance once you get to use it on overall. Many people are going to love this model for having the ease of installation and also works great whenever you get to use it. The model does feature the beep sound to help with warning you as you approach the obstacle. As a result, you are going to have a good time working with it generally. Well, if you have made some parking mistakes before, this is a nice solution for you. You can now prevent dangerous and costly collisions as compared to the other models on the market. The model does come with ease of installation. You simply have to follow the detailed manual on overall. You never have to worry about its performance generally. With the many positive reviews, you should get more people going for it as they know it will work great always. Just like the model above, the echelon is almost an exact carbon copy. However, what differentiates this model is its wide range of colors. Indeed, You can purchase different sensor colors so as to match the color of your vehicle. It is also regarded as one of the best front and rear car parking sensors because of its ease of installation, as you can install the 4 sensors both at the front or at the rear. As mentioned above, you get 4 sensors which are weatherproof and have an accurate range distance detection of 0.9 foot to 6.6 feet. With such a generous distance, pros: ease of installation, multicolor, high quality. Cons: some complained about short cables. Number 4. LED display parking sensor, car reverse backup radar system. Some parking sensors not only come with an alarm but also a digital display. This 4-sensor kit from Cinetic user is a prime example. Like the previous kit we looked at, this one also uses a central control unit that will need to be powered by your reverse lights circuitry. The individual sensors are black in color and have 9 feet of wiring on hand. This should allow you to wire this kit up to larger vehicles like a truck, for example. One thing you won't notice on this kit is a dedicated speaker alarm that needs to be mounted separately. Instead, it uses the LED display with an integrated alarm to inform you of the distance between the rear of your car and any objects. Once you put your vehicle in reverse, the included display will light up. This digital display will count down the distance between you and the nearest object and beep as you reverse. You will want to mount this display on your dashboard if at all possible. Thankfully, the included wiring for the display is 15 feet long. This should be enough for you to not only mount it on your dash but to conceal any excess wiring behind your vehicle's trim as well. With everything set up, we found the accuracy of this system to be a bit hit or miss, though. It just doesn't seem to pick up small objects that well. Pros: very inexpensive, comes with an LED. Cons: only come in black. Number 5. Vert LED display parking sensors for car. This is a nice solution for those looking for the best parking sensors on the market. This is because it is able to deliver on some good performance that makes more people want to get it. You will love the fact that it comes with 4 ultrasonic sensors. These sensors are mountable to the rear and front bumpers. Once they have been installed in place, they will be able to deliver on an audio warning. The best part is that the device also has a buzzer and silent sound modes. This is because sometimes people might want to choose a different mode from the one that keeps on beeping. The sensors are designed so that they can easily detect objects low to the ground and consequently alert you before you can bump into them. You will love the fact that it comes with the ultrasonic frequency of 40 kHz. It is going to work great to ensure overall performance. The device is also good at detecting obstacles at 2.5 meters away. In terms of ease of use and build quality, that Vert is pretty similar to other models on the market. However, one feature that makes it very different is its LED display that uses colored dots instead of colored lines, which is typical in other parking sensor systems displays. Moreover, you can purchase the 2017 model that has upgraded sensors that are more waterproof and have better durability. Additionally, you also get reverse camera with this model as well. Pros: comes with an alarm indicator, allows for rear and front mounting, can detect obstacles low on the ground. Cons: none. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.